Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. When you're feeling down, push the pain away. We go bottoms up, we go all the way. And face it another day. We go bottoms up.
Hey everyone, welcome back. We were on a trip to Dubai, and although this wasn't the first time visiting this beautiful city because we used to live here before, and Dubai is one city which always keeps evolving, so much has changed in the recent years. This was a 15-day trip to Dubai, and for the first 5 nights I booked a hotel called Jevora, and this hotel apparently is the tallest hotel in the world. It's located on Sheikh Zayed Road, which is the busiest road in Dubai, and towards the end of the video I will show you how I booked this place, how much I paid, and I will also share my experiences about our stay here. And with regards to the check-in, you will have to be prepared for an elaborate check-in process because it will take time filling out forms, giving your ID proof, and also to mention that they will also take a deposit of 500 dirhams. And we were also lucky enough to get the topmost floor at Hotel Jevora. This was the 71st floor which we stayed in, and the views from the room was absolutely breathtaking. In my opinion, the Jevora Hotel gives a more apartment feel than a hotel, and sometimes I feel this probably should be designed as an apartment and then repurposed to accommodate the Jevora Hotel. However, once you enter, there is a powder room with some usual fittings, and then further down there is a kitchen. I was so surprised to find such a huge kitchen with so many cupboards. There is also a hob, a washing machine, and a refrigerator. I was surprised why they had a fully fitted kitchen here at Jevora. All the drawers and the cupboards, they were all empty, no pots, plates, spoons, etc. We were only for a 5-night stay at the Jevora. It really didn't bother us because usually during trips we do not cook but eat out most of the time. But still it just gave a nice big homely vibe to the place. There is a refrigerator, a nice huge one again, and and then the bathroom, which was not a big size but a fairly decent sized one. I was not surprised to find the shower inside the bathtub because this is so typical of Dubai design. They also had a nice wardrobe with all the facilities, which was really helpful, especially the ironing board and a mirror for your makeup and stuffs. And I have to mention the bed was really comfortable. And check out the view. This is what you're going to pay for. It's something like having a front row seat to all the action. It's like having your own private show of Dubai's iconic landmarks. And when the sun sets, that's when the magic happens because everything lights up and Dubai comes to life in a whole new way. I spent hours just sitting by the window and watching the cityscape as it comes to light up in the night with twinkling lights of skyscrapers and bustling streets painting a mesmerizing picture.
Been feeling trapped down on the floor. I don't know what for. Feels like I'm gonna lose. Silence takes a hold. I can't let it go. Chain up, no one knows. But I won't let the stormy seas throw me in open water. Let me have my peace and leave me till tomorrow. Wind into my sail, away from things I let go. Floating on the waves. We go bottoms up.
And with regards to the amenities at Chevora, the pool is really nice with views of Burj Khalifa and other skyscrapers around. The gym was pretty good, and we were in fact disappointed with only the rooftop restaurant. The menu was not appealing, and they also had a minimum order value to be met even if we were staying at the hotel. Also, when it came to the room price, it really didn't come with the fancy price tag compared to other hotels in the area. You can find really good deals on some of the travel sites. So overall, a not so luxury feel, but more like an executive apartment stay, and the huge plus goes to the room view. Also, be prepared for long waits for the elevator. Since it's a 75-story hotel, you will have to wait. And we also found that the staff, housekeeping, everybody seemed to use the same elevator. And also, we had a problem with the phone in our room. It wasn't working, and we'll have to go all the way down to the front desk to get things sorted. And in my opinion, the customer service also could be improved, as I didn't find them too friendly. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I shall post more videos from our Dubai trip. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned. Bye.